Hey Pumpkin, I'm going to walk you through that number 2 real quick and see if you can figure out where you goofed. And if not, you can message me back. So you got the first part right where you're finding the GCF, because you're right that you can factor a 2y out of each one of these terms. So this part's right where you have the 2y outside of the parentheses, but then you goofed when you're figuring out what goes inside. So I'm going to zoom in on this one for a minute. So first of all, you're going to do 24 divided by 2. So you know that 24 divided by 2 means you'll have 12 for that first term. And then you had a y, but you factored out a y. So that means you don't have any more y's because they're all factored out. But you still have this x to the second. You didn't factor out any x's. So that first term is still going to be 12x to the second. So then I'm going to zoom in here and look at the second term. So 18 divided by 2 is going to be 9, and that's going to be a plus 9 because it's a positive. And then you had an x originally. You didn't factor out any x's, so you've still got the x left in there. Then you had 2 y's, but you only factored out 1 y, so you still have a y left over. And then in your third term, you've got 2 divided by 2, which is 1, and it's going to be a minus 1. And then you had a y, but you factored it out, so that means you don't have any more y's. So that means that that third term is going to be just a 1. Let me know if that doesn't help, because I'm happy to give you some more examples.